Hello, good day, and welcome to my channel today. So, quickly, want to look at how to design a pop-out effect in Photoshop. A pop-out effect in Photoshop. Want to do this simple design in Photoshop. So, quickly, let us jump to our Photoshop. So, these are Photoshop. So, let me quickly close this. Let me also close this, and let's create a new file. Go to create a new file, and okay, we can leave it at 1080 by 1080. 200. Okay, click OK. So immediately it pops up. Let's bring in our image for the design. So these are the things we'll be needing. Okay, where's our phone? So let me go to my tool and get the phone. So this is the phone. You can get it on any PNG site. Sorry, you can get it at any PNG site. So quickly, this is it. So let's bring in our image. Mind you, you can do different designs for this. So let's bring in the image you want to use for the design. So this is the image. I downloaded it. So drag it to your Photoshop. Let's drop it on top so you can resize that to how you really want it to look at. Like, so if you're okay with the positioning, you click OK, you right click and you click on to rasterize image. So if you're okay with that size, now we can do the magic. So what you want to do is on this, you click on this layer, activate it, and you Control J on your keyboard, Control J, you drag it and bring it to this part to create a new one. So Control J helps you to create duplicates. So after that, you hide this layer. You also hide this. Let's work with this. Any layer you want to work with in Photoshop, you have to activate the layer. So click on this layer and you come to your magic wand tool. Now when you come to this, you see quick selection, you see objects. So you go to magic wand tool and you click on this inside surface of the phone. Immediately you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this other one underneath it. So let's take, okay, sorry about that. Okay, Control Z, Control Z. So you want to turn this part on. After you do that, you now come to your mask. Click on the layer mask. As you can see now, it's like the image is inside the phone, but you want to bring out a pop-out effect where the hands will be coming out as if a pop-out effect. So what do we do next? You now come to this upper one you duplicated, you turn it on as well. So when you turn it on, the next thing you want to do now is you now come to select, click on select, you now go to subject, click on subject. So you allow the Photoshop algorithm, the AI, to help you pick out the image from the background. So let's wait a little. Immediately that is done, and we believe that is the exact thing we want to do. You now come to your mask, so you mask it. As you can see now, look at the effect. So when you mask it, you now come with this effect. But at times, so you click on your alt, you can see at times it's like it's just exactly how we want it to be. So this is just a simple tutorial on how to do what pop-out effect. You can do for as many as you want. Okay, quickly, let's do for another object again. Let's do for one more object again. So let me go to my file. Let me click on coming. Okay, let us work with this. Let's bring this in here. This is another one we want to use to test it up. So let's off this and off this, and for this as well. So let's try something now to this. So click on this. Let's arrange it. Control T on the keyboard. you can do it for any object you want. You want this to pop out this way. So let's do right click on it and you rasterize. You rasterize. Then you can as well right click and what you can convert to smart objects. So what it means is that you can stretch it Ctrl T on the subject and you can hold down your shift button and you can adjust it the way you want. You don't want it too stretched. Okay, hold down your shift. Let's take her out a little from this spot. Quickly, let's do that now. So what I want to do next again, like I said before, the initial thing we're going to do, let's Control J on this. Let's Control J on that. Control J. Now let's click out. Click on this one. Let us hide them both. So come to the image, click on the magic one too. Click on this piece you're having. Let us turn this one on. So you turn it on. So this is the effect we are having. Like I said before, turn it on. So what we want to do is once you clicked on this image, on this one, you just turn on, you mask it. So you mask it like the one we did before. You now come and what you on the first one, this one, you on it down. Once it is activated, you go to subject, you go to what, click on select, click on subject, and automatically Photoshop help you pick out the main object from the background. Once it has done that, the next thing you want to do is, like I said before, it may not be that perfect, but let us keep it cool. You come to what, you mask the objects. You mask the object, as you can see now. It's just as if the image is jumping out from the phone. So that is how it is done. So now after that, we can also hold on your shift, click on this, and you can link them both. You can link them both. What it means, okay, now let's after that, this second part of it, take it off. What it means is when I click, I can as well, you can see now it is together. I can drag it to the area I want. This is somewhere here. As you can see, so you can easily drag it, balance it to the area you actually want. So that is how to do this simple out effect in Photoshop. So feel free to subscribe to our channel and we love you. Thank you and have a nice day.